This plane is full of salt. Why? Here in United Arab Emirates, the weather is so hot. That means there is no rain. So they set command and control station to monitor sky for cloud seeding with salt because salt attracts water. Water accretes on the salt grains and grow into water droplets that fall and eventually initiate a watery droplet. So they use planes to drop salt under the clouds until they rain. This is how countries like United Arab Emirates work smartly against water shortage and climate change.